rainy season and drought collide in an everlasting cycle. One of the most fertile places on the planet, containing 10% of all animal species on Earth. Living in nature is always a struggle for existence. But these days, wildlife has to fight to survive in the face of habitat destruction and the spread of human influence. Thailand is known for its dazzling mega-city, Bangkok. Its exquisite cuisine, saffron-dressed monks, exotic beaches, and a world-famous nightlife.